Hello guys, for today's video magluluto ako ng scallop with angel hair pasta. Angel hair pasta, meron akong 2 tablespoon butter, milk, 1.5 cup water, and bring to boil. Yung scallop guys, hinugasan ko na, so pat-dry natin ng paper towel. Luto daw ng scallop 3 to 5 minutes. So ang gagawin ko lang 3 minutes. Each side 1.5 minutes. Guys, ito yung i-partner ko sa scallop. So boiling na. Lalagyan na natin yung pasta at yung seasoning. Seasoning 4 to 5 minutes ang luto nito. Kinating ng soup, paminta, pala kalimutan haluin, halukayin ating scallop, olive oil, pasta, yan, itin tayo.